OpenAI concluded its shipmas event with the unveiling of its latest reasoning model, O3, the successor to O1. This model family includes the standard O3 and a compact version, O3 Mini, designed for task-specific applications. Unlike traditional AI, reasoning models like O3 rely on a private chain of thought to self-fact-check, making them slower but more accurate in fields like physics, math, and programming. OpenAI introduced a new compute feature, allowing users to adjust reasoning time for better performance, with O3 delivering groundbreaking results on benchmarks such as SWE-bench, 2727 Codeforces rating, and ARC-AGI, 87.5% in high compute mode. However, these improvements come with significant compute costs and concerns about deceptive tendencies observed in prior reasoning models like O1. Notably, OpenAI hinted that O3, under specific conditions, approaches AGI, artificial general intelligence, systems capable of outperforming humans at most economically valuable tasks. This milestone holds contractual implications with Microsoft, as OpenAI's AGI status would alter their partnership. OpenAI's internal tests show O3 dominating competitive benchmarks, such as scoring 96.7% on the 2024 American Invitational Mathematics exam and setting records on Epoch AI's Frontier Math benchmark. Yet these claims await external validation. Meanwhile, OpenAI has developed deliberative alignment techniques to mitigate risks, though safety concerns linger, especially given O1's history of deceptive behavior. The release of O3 arrives amid increased competition in reasoning models, with Google, Alibaba, and DeepSeek launching their own versions. As scaling brute force techniques reach diminishing returns, reasoning models are gaining traction despite their high computational costs. OpenAI plans to roll out O3 Mini previews in January, followed by the full O3 release. The announcement also coincides with the departure of Alec Radford, the scientist behind OpenAI's groundbreaking GPT models, signaling a shift as the company continues pushing boundaries in AI research. The 12 Days of OpenAI event itself has been nothing short of a tech marathon. Every day has brought something new to the table. The Un model was introduced on the first day, alongside a $200 ChatGPT Pro subscription tier. The focus here was clearly on better reasoning, particularly in areas like math and science, which often stump conventional models. Then came the Sora video generator, showcasing the company's venture into creative AI tools. Sora is powerful, but it's still limited unless you opt for the Pro version. There's also been the addition of features like Projects, which organizes ChatGPT sessions into actionable tasks, and advanced voice mode upgrades that enable the AI to see and interact with what's on your screen. What stood out the most was the accessibility focus. OpenAI managed to push ChatGPT into places no one expected, like landlines. You can now call a number and have the AI assist you, even without an internet connection.
Hello again. It's ChatGPT, an AI assistant.
It's not flashy, but it's practical, especially for people without smartphones or high-speed internet. The landline feature is voice-only and allows up to 15 minutes of free calling for US users, after which normal carrier fees kick in. It doesn't get into multimodal capabilities or anything advanced, but it works for basic tasks like translations or general questions. WhatsApp integration is another big step. OpenAI brought ChatGPT to one of the most widely used messaging platforms, allowing users to interact with the AI directly in a chat format. There's a daily usage limit, keeping things simple for now, but future updates promise exciting possibilities like image analysis and real-time web searches. And this approach clearly shows OpenAI's intent to make AI tools as inclusive as possible, even for those without high-end devices or uninterrupted internet access. Kevin Weil, OpenAI's chief product officer, emphasized this during a live stream, explaining that the goal is to make AI beneficial to everyone, not just those with access to cutting-edge technology. Meanwhile, Google hasn't been sitting back watching OpenAI take all the spotlight. They recently unveiled Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, a model that combines their Flash technology with advanced reasoning. One of its standout features is its transparency. It shows its reasoning process step by step. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a practical feature for those who need to understand how decisions are made, especially in scenarios where long reasoning chains are involved. And Gemini 2.0 is already available for free on Google AI Studio, though it comes with a token limit of 32,767. It's not limitless, but still plenty for most practical applications. The performance of Gemini 2.0 has been impressive. It handles complex problems like riddles and probability questions with remarkable speed. Early tests show it solving intricate challenges in just a few seconds. However, it's not flawless. Public demonstrations revealed occasional mistakes or overlooked details, which is expected for a model this new. Still, the transparency and speed have already earned it the top spot in the El Marina chatbot arena, where it outperformed older models in a short amount of time. What really sets Gemini 2.0 apart is its customizable safety settings. Users can adjust parameters to explore how the model handles sensitive content, whether it's harassment, explicit material, or potentially dangerous responses. This level of control adds an extra layer of utility, particularly for developers or users in industries with strict compliance needs. Coming back to OpenAI, they've also been working on making ChatGPT more integrated with desktop workflows. Recent updates brought ChatGPT support to macOS apps like Warp, Intelligent Idea, PyCharm, and even note-taking tools like Notion and Apple Notes. These integrations are aimed at automating everyday tasks, from coding to organizing notes, making the AI more than just a conversational tool. Kevin Weil described this shift as ChatGPT becoming increasingly agentic, meaning it's moving from simply answering questions to performing tasks proactively. It's about creating an assistant that doesn't just help, but actually takes over repetitive or time-consuming parts of your workflow. The collaboration with Apple, announced earlier this year, plays a big role here. ChatGPT's integration with iOS, macOS, and iPadOS is expected to drive massive user growth. OpenAI projects that this partnership, along with new data centers and products, could push them toward reaching 1 billion users in the next year. Considering the popularity of Apple devices and the utility of these integrations, this goal doesn't seem far-fetched. There's also a bigger picture here. The rivalry between OpenAI and Google is intensifying, and it's clear that both companies are trying to outdo each other in the reasoning and accessibility game. OpenAI's focus on creating thoughtful, slower models contrasts with Google's speed-driven approach. Both have their strengths, but it's fascinating to see how these philosophies play out in real-world applications. With OpenAI's event now concluded, the unveiling of the O3 model has exceeded expectations. Building on everything showcased so far, O3 introduces advanced reasoning capabilities, improved multimodal functionality, and innovative new tools, setting a high bar for AI advancements. What's undeniable is how quickly the landscape of AI is evolving. Tools that once seemed futuristic are now becoming part of everyday life, whether it's through landlines, desktop apps, or messaging platforms. The competition between OpenAI and Google is pushing innovation at an unprecedented pace, and as users, we're the ones who get to benefit from this technological arms race. The O3 model might just be the next milestone in making AI smarter, more accessible, and more integrated into our lives. If the past few days are any indication, OpenAI has plenty more surprises in store. With Google's Gemini 2.0 already setting new benchmarks, it's clear that the future of AI is going to be anything but boring. The stage is set, and both companies are bringing their A game. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.